In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize business tasks and boost efficiency with ClickUp. We'll walk through setting up a clean, organized workspace using a ready-made template, then fine-tune the way everything displays so your team can find what they need fast. This approach keeps you out of the weeds and focused on what moves the business forward. Start by opening ClickUp, either in your browser or the desktop app, and head into your workspace. On the left sidebar, locate the space where you want this work to live. Each space acts like a container for related projects and processes. Hover over the space name and click the plus icon next to it. That plus is your shortcut to adding new work without disrupting your existing structure. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions from your workspace admin. When the creation window opens, switch from starting from scratch to the templates option. Templates are a powerful time saver. Instead of piecing together lists, statuses, and fields by hand, you're leveraging a proven setup that already includes the essentials. It's the fastest way to get organized with fewer clicks and less second-guessing. Use the search bar in the templates view to look for Business Directory. This template is designed to centralize information about vendors, partners, clients, or any external contacts you manage alongside related tasks. Open its preview to understand what's included. You'll typically see predefined statuses, custom fields, and a few helpful views. Take a moment here to confirm it fits your needs, so you're confident about what will appear in your space. Once the template loads into your chosen space, tailor the display so it works the way you think. Switch between views like List for detailed rows, Board for visual workflow, or Table for a spreadsheet-style overview. Show or hide columns to keep only what's relevant visible things like assignee, due date, priority, or custom fields. Drag columns to reorder them, adjust widths for readability, and group by status or assignee to surface what matters most. Sorting by priority or due date brings urgent items to the top, while quick filters let you focus on a specific segment without losing context. If the template's terminology doesn't mirror your team's language, rename fields or statuses so everyone instantly understands what they're seeing. When you've got a layout you love, save the view and set it as the default so the whole team lands on the same organized dashboard every time. With these adjustments, your business directory becomes a reliable hub that's easy to scan, simple to maintain, and built to scale.